Hello everyone. Have you ever gotten so mad with someone that you ended up doing something that you really regretted with afterwards? I done it so many times and I can even count them. When we lose our temper, sometimes rolls up our mind and body with at that moment. Anger is a perfectly normal human emotion. In fact, when managed the right way, anger can be considered a healthy emotion. However, if it is not kept in check, anger can make us act improperly or inappropriately and can lead us to saying or doing things we will likely later regret. And extreme anger can hurt you physically or hurt you mentally. It can hurt your career or hurt your relationship also. So it is very necessary to manage your anger and learn the process of anger management. So anger management is following some strategies. Here are some strategies that can help you control your anger. So these 2-3 strategies you have to follow and you can manage your anger properly. First of all, when you're getting angry or you're feeling if you're getting angry, so you have to sometimes as simple as breathing deeply and looking at relaxing image works wonder in calming down angry feelings. Stand for breathing. Try this simple breathing exercise. Visualize your breath coming up from your stomach and keep repeating a calming words like relax and take it easy. Remember to keep breathing while repeating the words relax and keep it easy. Second strategy is cognitive restructuring. Cognitive restructuring means changing the manner in which you think. You have to change your thoughts. You have to change your manner of thinking. Because anger can make you curse, exaggerate and act very dramatically. When these happen, force yourself to replace your anger thoughts with more logical ones. For instance, instead of thinking everything is ruined, change your mindset and tell yourself, it's not the end of the world and getting angry won't solve this. Sometimes when you are angry, you do not try to focus on solving the problem. And instead of focusing on handling and facing the problem, remind yourself that you will do your best to deal with this situation, but that you will not blame yourself if you don't get the solution you desire. The third strategy is better communication. When you are angry, it is very easy to jump to an inaccurate conclusion. So, avoid saying the first thing that enters in your head and force yourself to listen carefully to what the other person is saying. Then think about the conversation before responding. The last strategy is changing your environment. Changing your environment or make distance means if you find that your environment is cause of your anger, try and give yourself a break from your surrounding. Having even a brief amount of quiet and alone time to assure you to help calm you down. Now at last I would like to give you some tips for anger management. First is to take some time to collect your thoughts before you speak out in anger. Express your views and reason for your anger in an assertive manner once you have calmed down. Do some of physical exercises like running and walking when you feel yourself getting angry. Make short break part of your daily routine, especially during days that are stressful, and focus on how to solve a problem that's making you angry rather than focusing on the fact that the problem is making you angry. And the very simple and very important tips that you have to follow when you face anger: you should try to forgive those who anger you rather than hold a grudge against them. Avoid using sarcasm and hurling insult. Instead, try and explain the reason for your frustration in a polite and mature manner. So these all are the anger management tricks. I hope this will help you when you are getting angry. So that's all in this video. Friends, will meet in next video with another strategy of soft skill. Till then, watch my videos. Keep watching. To like and subscribe, share with your friends, share the knowledge with others. Thanks for watching.